Right, hello YouTubers, welcome back to another part of my DIY synthesizer project. And on my lap here I have an Arduino Minibrute, which is a single VCO analog synthesizer, as you know. Now you're probably thinking, well, what's that got to do with your project? Well, the thing is, following one of my latest videos, I kind of had my memory jogged by somebody who posted a comment and said, well, why are you not using the CV and Gate from your Minibrute to sort of, drive your project? Whereas I've been kind of toying about with the Arduino MIDI to CV, and I kind of thought, right, okay, let me give this a go. So I've made up some jacks using ordinary stereo cables. I cut the ends off, which are RCA leads, and just basically joined the inner part of the white and the red, the left and the right, and join the two earths together. Put them both into connector blocks, as you can see here, and then I split them. So we've got the earth or ground, and here we've got our voltage out. So what I did first was I put these on a small test breadboard and used my multimeter to check if I was getting a CV, and unbeknown to me, I did get a CV out, and it scaled pretty much perfectly. And also on the gate output as well, here is my second set of cables here. That's my hot side for the gate, and that's the output of the gate, which goes to 3 different envelope generators. Along here we have one over there, which is just the AR, and envelope generator 1 and envelope generator 2. So I'll just put a bit of a resistance because it's quite, I think it actually outputs about 12 volts. So yeah, so as you can see, that's the back of my Minibrute. Sorry, it's a bit of a mess, people. And we can see there's no output jacks, nothing connected to that. And what I'm going to do is just boot the power supply on. I'm not quite sure, this hasn't been on for a while, so it might not quite be in tune. And as we can see, that's the gate in. And as we can see, that is actually, sorry, I've got all 3 VCOs on at the moment. As we can see, that is responding to the gate pulse. So let's just turn down every single we'll try and turn off. So many oscillators here. You've got 3 VCOs now and a sub oscillator. So just want to show you the so if I trigger the key, you can see there the indicator on the envelope generators blink as they should be. Now if I turn on an oscillator, so VCO 1 on, and let's try the pitch bend on that, and we can see that responds to the pitch bend as well. So right, so yeah, so basically all the CV, the control voltage, comes into this op amp over here. I'm using a LM358. It's a single supply. You can actually run this op amp off a 9-volt battery. It's quite a useful op amp. Not the best, quite noisy, etc. Not the best specs, but it does the job. So I'm basically using that as a buffer. And what that means, or some people refer to it as a voltage follower. So we come into the non-inverting side of the op amp, and we basically just take a cable over from the inverting side to the output, and we have exactly what goes in is exactly what comes out. So some people refer to that as unity gain, and basically I think that kind of as well acts as a bit of protection to stop current flowing. Can't remember exactly which way, either forward or backwards. Anyway, yeah, so there we have it. So I have my project synthesizer running directly from MIDI, or sorry, should I say directly from control voltage and gate in from the Minibrute here. can see again, just check how that responds to the, and you can see that responds to the pitch bends. My next test is probably going to see, in fact I'm going to do it now. Right, here we have, I'm just going to put the arpeggiator on hold and put that on hold, change the tempo on the Minibrute, and we go over to the gate. And let's try and change some values. Let's try the tap. And slow it down. And there we have it. We can see the synthesizer responds directly to the MIDI and CV gate. So thumbs up from me, all good. We've now got a sort of bit of scope where I can have the option, I guess, of having MIDI to CV gate in, or direct CV gate in from other sort of Eurorack, etc. modules, and I suppose we can incorporate it into a sort of gate out and CV modular system. So my plan is to sort of have it a sort of semi modular build at some point. But anyway, hold tight for the next video. Okay, thank you for watching, people. Any questions or anything you needed to know, just leave questions in the comment section. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. If you don't, hit the dislike button. And yeah, be safe. Catch you soon, people.